Swap meet. Hunt County Fair. Pretty cool old car coming out. And a very interesting Ferrari going in. This seems pretty cool. And here we've got a Corvette leaving the Hunt County Fairgrounds. Wonder what's going on. Well, it must be the 24th Greenville Swap Meet and Car Show. In this video, we will be looking at the car show. Welcome to Road Odyssey, and if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. I appreciate it very much. So, here I am at the Greenville Swap Meet and Car Show. All kinds of neat cars around here. You see all these beauties. There is supposedly somewhere around 100 cars out here at the most. A few kind of come and go. But there are a lot of beauties, a lot of really good, fun people out here from everywhere. Sulphur Springs, Bonham, you name it, they are here. Probably McKinney and elsewhere. So let me walk around real quick and show you what we've got. Here we go. Seeing this Ferrari pull through was fantastic. It's either the V8 488 GTB or the V12 812 Superfast. Fantastic. So let's start looking around. Two Corvettes from the Corvettes Coast to Coast group. You'll see lots of great pickup trucks. Nice blue Corvette there. A fantastic purple Challenger. That Buick is wonderful, the black one. And there's some of the folks that put the show on. Another Dodge. And this wonderful Chevy Nomad. That thing is just awesome. Love looking at that. And anyway, traipsing on down a little further, getting past these really nice trucks. Bronco, Mach 1 Mustang, panel truck or whatever. Nice pickup truck. El Camino, another Dodge, Hot Rod. This Buick station wagon is an Ambassador built by Pete Yates. He's really done a great job on that. Big truck is Mike's. Cool Camaro, another look around. And more cool cars. Impalas, Hot Rods, pretty nice. Keep on traipsing around. Several cool cars. Nova, that red-white truck was Scott's. Scott puts on the Sulphur Springs Cars and Coffee. And we'll keep wandering around a little bit here. More beautiful cars and trucks and Mustangs. So, and I love this one. We'll show more of that in a minute. That kind of beige car. So still looking around. Now this pink one's a Barracuda. That is also a very nice car. Seen it a little bit. And I do like the Thunderbird. Of course, a cool Corvette 58 or so. And this big green pickup's cool. The AMC is great. All of these are really wonderful cars. I've seen the Prowler around a little bit. That's kind of a neat, interesting car. More trucks. Very nice lineup of cars. So the old Ford is wonderful. Camaro, Hot Rod, seen that around some. Nice Jeep, Camaro, slammed pickup. And there's Jeff's Chevelle next to this Mustang. And, of course, a regular run-of-the-mill Corvette and the Apha Romeo 4C, the Bugatti VW car kit, and this drag car from a local police department. Wow, okay. Hope you got all that. Time to take a deep breath and prepare for a few more cool cars. Here we go. All right, this little jewel is a 1927 Bugatti Grand Prix race car replica. These kit cars were developed by Classic Motor Carriages, and they are really neat. You can see a little variety in all of these. They are just really fun looking cars. I would love to go driving around in one of these. But let's take a closer look and see what it sounds like and all that good jazz. I had to squeeze this one in. An Alfa Romeo 4C Fi, one of two in the whole world. So this is a 2015. These are great little sports cars. And in this case, this has got to be a supercar. But they all have carbon fiber tubs and a rear engine. In this case, this one has a Ferrari rear engine, a special exhaust, all kinds of modifications. These were built for track use. They're tiny, but they are really fantastic little supercars. I really like this 1948 Chevy Fleetwood, and this is owned by a guy that also has gone on some of my cruises out of Paris, and he goes down to Greenville with the Wesley Street Cruisers a bit. But I kind of like the, the front is a huge amount of chrome, of course, just like all of these 40s cars and trucks. Inside is beautiful. I really do enjoy the insides of these cars. They are huge. And that back end, you can put several things in there. Not implying anything, but yeah, just a really, really beautiful car. I really like Ford Thunderbirds. Me personally, I prefer kind of at or before 1962. This is a 65, obviously a convertible. Very, very clean car. Great paint job. The interior has been well done. But I do love the raciness of these cars and the dash and all of that. Now, getting some of these convertibles to work right can be a bit of a challenge, but from what I understand, there are still kits for these, and they are repairable. So anyway, fantastic cars. Let's watch this thing leave the show. Okay, believe it or not, this 1958 Rambler Ambassador four-door hardtop station wagon is actually one of only two remaining, believed to be anyway. So these are extremely rare. So you're looking at something that is definitely painstakingly restored, and just, it's a super well-equipped, cross-country station wagon. These are just fantastic. Something else you may not know is that in 1956, Rambler was the first manufacturer to offer a four-door hardtop wagon. So here again, these are really rare. They are groundbreaking. Okay, not because they're huge, but because they're just really cool cars. Now this really bright green little gem, huge gem, is a 1970 Dodge Super Bee. Now, this is definitely a muscle car. This thing would look very intimidating coming into your rear view mirror. I do believe if I had my little Pinto, I'd be getting out of the way of this big dude. And there's that little weird logo in the middle of the steering wheel that you will see on the new all-electric Dodge Challenger or Charger. I guess the Charger. Anyway, just a fantastic car. There's that Super B symbol on the back with that rear racing stripe and spoiler. I guess that's a pedestal type of rear wing back there. Very sleek, nice rear end. Very, very nice. But this is a long, long car. The interior was very well kept as well. Paint job was marvelous. It really glistened in that sun. And while there were many, many more that I would love to show you, it is time to move on. Thank you so much for watching this video. The car show is over. Hope y'all enjoyed my video. And if you did, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate that very much. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. So it was great seeing everybody. And I have enjoyed driving my little GR86 out here. So I hope y'all have had a fantastic day. I will see you later. Bye. Thank you.